T-Bird. Christopher's got his little card, and now T-Bird's talking. Up like an eagle. Up.
Up like an eagle. Up.
Go bye-bye in your car. You little bald girl.
Bye.
Go bye-bye in your car. Farm.
One of these days.
Farm, farm, farm. Say go bye-bye in your car. Go bye-bye in your car. Hello. Puerto Rico. Come on, pretty bird. Hi, bird. Up like an eagle. Up. Go bye-bye in your car.
Yeah, Christopher told me the other day.
What?
What did I tell you the other day? Sometimes I like to hear what I told her.
I said they're worth $2,000. He said I'd pay $3,000 to get rid of them.
He paid $3,000 to get rid of them. Everybody says that about those birds. I told you I'll take them out of here.
I love them. I wouldn't give them up to nobody.
You like all that noise.
Not even you.
Oh my gosh, not even me.
I think I fell in love with them.
Those birds were given to her by me because she threatened me to go and buy more after she gave her bird away. Then she goes and wants another one to buy it, and so I gave her my two, T-Bird and Pinto. This is the outside of where Christopher's house is here. And across the street there's a canal and the FIU University. There's a beautiful canal out there with gators in it. Beautiful gators. Huh?
It's a bill.
That's what I said. That's junk. A bill is a junk.
It's a debt collection.
Yeah, I'm sure it says debt collection. You and Linda have a load of them.
You're supposed to collect those like train cards.
No, Children's Bill is due $92.79.
That's a small bill compared to some of your thousands. Radiology for Margaret Williams.
Throw it away.
What's that for? I know, thank you. Not for me. No, we have cake.
Yeah, but I'll bring this one too.
Oh, okay. No, I don't want any. Thank you. I'm gonna have a little.
Later. Yeah. You want?
I'll have a piece of pizza.
My goodness.
No, there's no more pizza. You want pizza instead of this?
That's yours.
Yeah.
She wants a half of a pizza left.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot. Yeah.